Hello and Namaste. My name is Tanuj Dulal and I am a civil engineer from Nepal, currently working at Ministry of Energy, Water Resources and Irrigation, Government of Nepal. I come from an underprivileged farming family and my journey has taught me the value of hard work, resilience and inclusive development. Through my work in irrigation and water resource management, I have seen how infrastructure can directly improve the agriculture, livelihoods and rural communities. I am applying to the Chinese Embassy Youth Pioneer Program because I strongly believe youth leadership and international cooperation can create meaningful change in the society. Nepal and China share great potential in areas like water resource management, infrastructure development, agriculture, technology, and cultural exchange. As someone working in the public infrastructure sector, I want to learn from China's development experiences and contribute to stronger Nepal-China cooperation. Through CNYP, I hope to become a more effective leader and help promote sustainable development, youth empowerment, and strengthen Nepal-China cooperation. Thank you.